Good morning. It is great that you have decided to practice the morning ritual and start your day with ease and focus. I'm happy to accompany you. So let's start with the ritual now. Make yourself comfortable, still laying down or sitting. Close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths in and out again. Brief inhalation and long exhalation. Brief inhalation and long exhalation. Again, a short inhalation and long exhalation. Brief inhalation and long exhalation. Brief inhalation and long exhalation. With each exhalation, you come more and more to rest and focus. We now start with the first part of the exercise. Write down 10 things for yourself on a sheet of paper or a notebook which you feel grateful for. Now realize 10 things for which you are deeply grateful. Connect with a feeling of gratitude. It is up to you to find out what you are currently thankful for. These can be sometimes very simple things, which at the first glance do not even seem to have any importance, but deserve gratitude. Be grateful and train your perspective of gratitude. So in the future, you will see more things that you can feel thankful for. Now take the time and list 10 things you're grateful for. Pause the recording if necessary. Stay with yourself during the exercise and breathe deeply. Now let's come to the second part of the exercise. Take 3 people who are currently giving you the feeling of anger or frustration and send them love. Release the grudge if you're holding one. This practice ensures that you no longer associate with the feeling of anger or frustration. You release the emotions and clear the way for a light day full of joy. You stay in harmony and create a positive feeling. Now take the time to send love to those who make you feel angry. Write that down for you. Start the sentence with, I send love to and I forgive him or her. Write down your sentences now. Pause the recording if necessary. Stay with yourself during the exercise and breathe deeply. Now take yourself 5 minutes for you and a third and final step of your morning ritual and ask for inner guidance for the day. This will help you to make the right decisions that will benefit you and everyone around you. Connect with the feeling that you're on the right path. You always make the right decisions for you. Go into the silence and connect with your inner guidance for the day. Close your eyes. Stay with yourself and breathe deeply. 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 Now prepare yourself to end the exercise slowly. Now slowly move your arms and legs. Open your eyes and come back to the here and now. Thank you for taking part in the morning ritual. Have a nice and positive day.